Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening here on the Vechain chart, where you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive crash in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01317 mark, which is the new bear market low here on the Vechain chart. And afterwards, we have been seeing a bit of a recovery to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot structures. So here on the charts, I've been trying to track a 5-wave move to the upside, where I have been terming these as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw this corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that was able to get into the minimum target area for this second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And you can see that on the charts, we saw a reaction of the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618 in the formation of this wave 2. And afterwards, we have been trying to gear up in the start of an impulse in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3, where I'm expecting the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. And by first giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that now gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.01961 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Vechain chart. And the first one is a break above the wave 1 high. So I can mark the wave 1 high here on the charts, which lies at around the $0.1644 mark. So in case we continue gearing up here on the Vechain chart, I'm watching for Vechain to first give us a break above the wave 1 high. We can even get a successful retest before we can continue gearing up. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high, that will be also confirming that we are in an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3, and also increase the chances of us fully maximizing our minimum target area at around the $0.019 mark. In case we also manage to break above the wave 1 high and continue gearing up, I'll be watching for a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $0.01798 mark. And a break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and also fully maximize our minimum target areas. And since we are in the formation of a wave 3, I'm expecting Vechain to also play out in a 5 micro Elliott wave count to the upper side, where maybe we can term these as the first wave to the upside. Then soon we can expect a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, then expect a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to the upside, fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And if this move that we saw yesterday over here is a first wave to the upside, then we can get minimum target areas for this second wave to the lower side by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is an area that lies between the $0.01543 mark and the $0.015 mark. So there are chances that in case we see a bit of a pullback on the charts, we can get back into this red target area on the charts see a reaction of the target area, and start another impulse to the upside in the formation of these higher Elliott wave count 3 in a move that should be able to break above significant highs on the charts and significant areas of resistances. So that is what I'm tracking here on the Vechain chart. Also have in mind that maybe this is not the high for this first wave, and if that is the case, then we can expect a turnaround from the prices that you are trading within and continue gearing up until we are able to put in place a high for that first wave to the upside, or maybe we can be able to have a different Elliott wave count on the charts as the chart continues to unfold. So that is what I'm expecting. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 73 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.